Okay, quick overview of the Evinrude G1 engine interface connection. So the engine interface connection is sitting right here. The cable, essentially, this is the NEMA 2000. Ran it through here, zip tied it up here, out through this here, in through into the boat, and then zip tied it up here, ran it up to the console, and show you quick. So here is the NEMA 2000 backbone wired up. You can see here's the Elite FS9. One thing that I did have to do was in settings, I had to go to network. So what I had to do is I had to go to data sources, auto config, and then reset the data sources. So now I put together this screen when we start the engine. We now have RPM, barometric pressure, engine hours, temperature, fuel rate, the amps out of the motor, miles as far as GPS, and our GPS speed as well. And this is all reconfigurable. So there you go, ETEC engine interface cable.